It's not always easy building a truck, so we've partnered with Cognito, TAS, and Radar to get you a full build for your truck. The easiest way to get in for this giveaway is picking up either a t-shirt, a hoodie, or a high-vis hoodie. You don't want to miss it on this one. Go get entered at customoffsets.com/giveaway. Join Custom Offsets and let's say cancer together.
Keith Gornjak, I'm the operations manager for T.A.A.G, the All-American Garage. It's a nonprofit that supports the men and women who serve our country and our communities. The president is a gentleman, Ray Dana, that works for our company. He pitched around the idea to start a nonprofit, and I started backing him right away. He said, do it, do it, do it. And he did, and then lo and behold, he asked me to be operations manager, and I jumped at the chance, and my wife is in it too. My kids do it, and do anything to help support and serve the ones that serve us. Kaukauna Police Department was looking to add another K9, so we helped spread the word and take donations and everything to help them get the K9, and we ended up giving them, enough funds to help the lady officer who got the K9 to get the supplies for at her house. There was a firefighter that had cancer, so we had a broad fry and did some donations for him to help him with everything he needs, stuff like that. It's great. I mean, to be able to give to people who give all the time is it's better than anything else. Never need to receive. I'm not one to receive. I hate receiving myself, but I like to give. I mean, I'm at a point in my life now with the kids are older and stuff that, we can do a lot of this stuff. And that's why I wanted to build this. I've been saving up for a long time, and don't get me wrong, I wanted a pretty badass truck. But at the same time, to be able to represent T.A.A.G makes it even better. Yeah, so 2006 GMC Sierra SLT. It was pretty clean when I got it. Had Tim's Auto Body here in Appleton to do my rockers and panels and stuff. They're more of a collision center, but I worked with them for quite a few years, and they're a great company, very much family owned. Got it back from them, and I got a custom hood out of California from Street Concept, which is a totally different look. Beefs it up a lot a bit with so it's HD hood with a 2-inch cowl on it. And then I took it to Muntz Audio, so they put 4 6x5 Rockford wakeboard speakers on it. It's got some music, so then when we're in the parades, you know when I'm coming. From there I went to, took a month or 2 months between me and my wife in Sign Country in Little Chute to put together the wrap stuff, so I wanted something nobody else would have. And they pulled through. It is pretty sick. I drove that truck around for about 4 days, and I think a lot of people almost broke their necks, so it was pretty cool. Yeah, so now I've kind of handed the project off to Cody, and he's gonna go crazy with it and give him full artistic ability to go at it, because I've seen what he's built here, and it's some of the sickest trucks I've ever seen. I see all the parts are sitting over there, so I'm getting pretty excited. So.
Is this thing on? All right, so here is the majority of everything going on this truck. We have everything set up to go to 9 inches because we're trying to get the most out of this truck. Some additional stuff, we got some Kryptonite upper control arms here. Those are obviously not part of the kit, but if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it the right way. So we got those as well. We got our new torsion keys so we can get that 9 inches out of it. This is now gonna be like a premium kit, so we've got compression struts. If we keep going down here, you'll see we've got some add leafs. Now this is how you get the 9 inches in the back. We got our lift knuckles. And then this, again, is an addition. These are gonna be the McGaughys traction bars. You'll see that they're clearly not finished. This is how you get them. You get them raw, you powder coat them to whichever you would like. Some ARKON wheel lights. Gonna have some rock lights too. We don't have those quite yet. And some amp steps. And everything's in this pretty silver. It's not gonna be that anymore. This is gonna get sent out for powder coat. We're gonna put it in, get everything set, do all our drilling, all of our cutting and all that stuff, and then take it back out and then get it powder coated.
The theme is, pretty much America. So the powder coat's gonna be all brass, stuff like that, so it really goes with the theme of the truck. I was talking to Cody and them, and they strongly suggested going with Kryptonite because they do heavy pull trucks and stuff like that, because I told them I needed 2 things out of this. 1, to be one of the most badass trucks around. Number 2 is that it drives, it functions as a truck, and I can daily drive it. The parts that are going on this, I could pull a house off the foundation with that sucker. It's gonna be quite the scene. And then with that high gloss brass should kick off a lot of the powder coat at the same time. It had to be about 2 years ago. I came in, was talking to Cody about some stuff of what I want to do to my truck, how I want to do it, and it got me really excited, so I started saving. Got to the point where last summer kind of sucked, you know, for me and my wife, because the kids are at that age where you can't really leave. So then we decided that we were going to get a hot rod. I'm like, all right, let's go for a hot rod. Well, then with that, you know, you got another car, you got insurance, you got more payments, you got all this stuff. So she's like, well, why don't you do your truck? I'm like, are you serious? She's like, yeah. I'm like, no takebacks. I'm like, because when I do something, I'm going to do something. And she's like, and I asked her, well, what's the budget? She's like, well, it can be the same. Done. And then now we get this. And I cannot wait to see when it's done.
So this is going to be like a rough install, because like, I mean, look at that shock. Those are not going to be white either, because that's not going to match our theme. So this is going to be a rough install, so we can scratch stuff and grind on it and cut it up, and then we'll take it all out and make it pretty and put it all back in. So I basically have to build this truck twice, and it's going to be super fun.
It's about 25 days away is the Appleton Memorial Day Parade, and that's going to be the first big show it's in. It's going to be its debut. And, well, it's about the same as when I brought it, but Cody's on it, so I'm really not too worried about it, because I don't think that man knows how to fail. If anybody's doing these kind of builds, I suggest having patience and being able to reschedule quite a bit, because it takes a lot. But
What wheels are you getting?
oh, the ARKON.
ARKON.
Yeah, they're in that box. Come on. Lug nuts included. Lincolns, yeah. Look at this. Not yet. Look at that huge. A semi is 22-inch. These are 26, dude. They're gonna be sick. That is gonna be freaking awesome. You know wheels are awesome when your wife looks at them and she says they're beautiful. All right. And you know you got a freaking awesome wife when that happens. I mean, it's going to be wide. It's going to drive down the street like it's a boss, which is American, so it makes sense. Over the top and ready to shove it in your face. My truck is badass. Like, it's right there, dude. Like, seriously. It's just killing me. It's right there looking at me. It looks awesome now. Wait till it gets done with all this stuff. It's going to be insane. Of course, the young kids say it should be what, lit? Yeah. Or it's on fire, yes, right? Yeah. Fire? Fire's the one? You know that shit makes no sense at all, right? Fire, s'mores. These kids are stupid. So big vision for the truck and for T.A.A.G, the All-American Garage, is to get big. I mean, there's some pretty big nonprofits out there right now that do just veterans in just certain areas. I mean, I want to make this to where everybody knows it throughout the whole country. When they think to give to community, they think the All-American Garage. Community to me should be what it used to be. Somebody needs help, you help them. It should be an extended family. Just go over there and help. You did two things. You're gonna make them feel good. You're gonna tell them that there's people out there that care, and you're gonna feel good. It's a great way to feel good about yourself. Just help other people. I mean, if you have the right to have it, you gotta earn it. And part of the way you're earning it is to help other people. We're working on 47 Willys, CJ2A. We're doing that to help promote. We're gonna try to do the paint job with all murals of all the different battles and wars and stuff in it, instead of just having your normal Willys out there. So then when we have it at Broad Fries or events, that it's something people can learn off of. That there were sacrifices, there were stuff done. You know, maybe donate to a nonprofit that supports veterans. And I mean, mental health and everything is extremely important for them. Right now we're just locally, you know, some people know about us, some people don't. I want to get this to be huge. You know, that's a big part of doing this, is to be known across the country. So they can go to Facebook and go to the All-American Garage and click the link and donate. So we can give the money out to people who need it. Go to Facebook.com.
Get into this.